creative friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Heather with The Myriad Maker. Today's video is an exploration in making a pop-up card. I have a friend at work who just got her green card after many months of submitting paperwork and back and forth with the government. She finally got it, which was really exciting. And her team decided that they would throw a surprise celebration for her. And I thought it was a really good excuse to try my hand at making a pop-up card, because it's something I've been wanting to do for a while. And it just happened to be right before 4th of July, so there's a ton of red, white, and blue Americana kind of cardstock and stuff out there. So I went and bought a few things, and this video really just kind of shows you my process of cobbling everything together. Full disclosure, I lost the last bit of footage. I say I lost it. Honestly, I think I probably just forgot to hit record. It happens. So anyway, I don't have the full process, but I'll try to at least kind of talk you through the gist of what I did. The first thing I did was start some experimentation on how do I make this pop-up work. I watched a lot of videos on YouTube. There's lots of people that make different pop-up cards, so I just wanted to try something that was fairly simple. I didn't want to bite off more than I could chew. Just wanted to make sure it was something that I felt like I could actually pull off. So I just made a really simple card. It's just got a little box in the middle, and my idea with all of this was to make the card look like it was exploding with Americana. So anyway, I just, it's very over the top in terms of all the glitter and stuff, but I think it turned out kind of cute and fun. So this was a good excuse for me to dig out my die cutting machine and experiment a little bit. I have a variety of different thicknesses of materials that I'm working with. The red glittery stuff is a glitter foam, which honestly was really hard to get through my die cutting machine. I had a really hard time. I mean, I was muscling that thing through. My little die cutter is not made for really thick materials. It's fine with cardstock and paper, but this thick foam stuff was really a challenge. So that meant I had to kind of switch gears with utilizing cardstock more than I had intended to. I wanted to use a lot more of this foam, but I just couldn't get it through my machine. So the idea was I really just wanted to have kind of a simple card face on the front, and then open it up and have everything kind of bursting out of this box in the center. And so I cut out a bunch of stuff and just kind of played around with it till it all came together in a way that made sense. So you'll see, throughout the video, there's a bit of trial and error. I'm kind of setting things on the card, looking at it, seeing if I liked how things were laying out. Did all of that before I glued it down. And I'm pretty happy with the final result. I decided at the end, after I got everything finished, that the card had so much thickness that it needed a little box for display. Well, not really. It's not really a display box, but it needed more than an envelope, let's say. So I made a little, like, 3/8 inch high box for it with a clear face, so you could actually see the card through the top of the box. So I'm just going to put on some music and let you sit back and enjoy watching this process come together. And if you're not interested in watching the whole thing, just skip through to the end for some good shots of the final result. All right, everyone, have a great day.